I'm going to show you here how to pinpoint or find out which section is not working on your sign. Now all neon signs are wired the same. They're wired in series. First of all, I have to tell you what one section is. This is one section. One section, it has two electrodes, and it's a piece of continuous glass. So this is one section, this is one section, two electrodes, continuous piece of glass in the form of letters. This is one section. So the way neon signs are wired, they're wired in series, which means this section goes to the transformer. I'm going to use this section also. This section goes to this section, and then the other end of this section to one end of this section, and then the other wire of the transformer to the last remaining electrode. So you can see that it makes like a circle. Let's say it starts here, then it jumps from this electrode to this electrode by wire, then from this electrode to this electrode by wire, goes through all the glass, ends in the other wire of the transformer. There it is. Now I'm going to show you what happens when, let's say, when you have a neon sign. It could be, 2 sections, 3, 4, 5 sections. They'll all be wired in series. So when there's a bad section, either by break or that the electrodes are already burned out, the electricity will not flow through this one. So what happens? You see a flash. Now, there are some sections that still light up even if they're going bad. So let's say that you found, or you think that this is the section that's starting to go out. So if you connect the transformer, it'll just flash. But if you do this, you jump the 2 electrodes, you just get a piece of wire and then connect it between the electrodes. That will facilitate the electricity running through the wire instead of the neon, and everything else should light up. So what you do, you connect the transformer again, and the rest of the sign should light up. Your bed section is being bypassed by the wire, so the rest of the sign should light up. So if you think that one section is the one that's not working very well, you take out the rubber covers, you just put a jumper wire between the 2 electrodes, and then test your sign. If the rest of the sign lights up and stays on, that means that this section is the one that's causing all the trouble. If for some reason it still lights up and flashes, then this is not it. So you do the same test to the other sections. You just put the jumper wire between the two electrodes of the same section, and then turn on the sign until you find the bad section, and then that's the one to be repaired.